Itong barangan dito, lugban mo itong buwan. Ang bansa! Wala pa sa hero!
Arit ko katong lang sa Hawaii ba para di kami.
Ayaw tirahin ng pula, amang mawala lagi ng motor.
Pablo! Clyde!
Morning. Oo, karon.
Lambong.
Lambong? Oo. Ano ay talagang tauhan ng mga lambong?
Good morning, everyone. What we're gonna do now is cooking of binasa. This is one iron thing on the Black Saturday. So what is binasa?
This is the thing which we use for fumigation,
Or we call tuo
to treat those victims of witchcraft and sorcery for those diseases given by element.
I don't know if you heard or you experienced that you are very sick, but still, even the most modern apparatus or technology of modern medicine could not identify, or there's no really such finding of what the problem you have.
Those are beyond physical things.
It is a scam.
If someone will treat a victim of witchcraft who asks you too much, why? Because this is the only thing.
We prepared it in 7 consecutive Fridays of collection of all materials, and we cooked these things during Black Saturday. If you heard those amulet in the imitation of ballot which prohibited in the court,
This is the thing inside.
so secure, they are two forms of protection. Called verbo, those are the Latin or prayers, but secure we use this material. So what are these things? The charcoal things which we created yesterday, these are the compositions
of all we collected in the last season. In Roman Catholic Church, during the celebration, we are collecting holy palm, holy candle. If the priest will give us salt and holy oil, we do that. Then, in cemetery, we are collecting melted waxes, offered flowers, because there's a lot of witchcraft being done in the cemetery. In the cave, we are collecting something there.
Those restoration plants, yung restoration plants you can see in the table, then possibly all poisonous and itchy materials which you can collect from the sea. So this is everything. Incense, honey, the so-called kamanya, coconut wine is just part of Milata. That's how secure being different from other practices. It's not about one or three combinations, but it's about the combination of everything. Better, I will show you some of these herbs. It's so hard and very dangerous to try with scrap of this herb. This is the so-called sumbalik. We have different varieties.
This is
Pahiuling sumbalik,
This is tungkan, where the thorn goes down.
this is pahiuling sumbalik,
balagon, and other
pahiuling sumbalik. So some, it's easily to identify
because of this cord going back. It
look
looks
like
like eye still going back.
but some gamblers,
they get this one for kakpete.
the so-called sumbalik that cannot be treated anymore.
Example, you need not to reveal those witchcraft, witches to those persons who give witches. Through
Fumigation, we have to return the disease that they gave to us. So, pahiuling sumbalik
is part of this.
So another restoration plant which the word pahiuling is to restore. So that's a restoration plant, but these are two of the restoration plants which name never starts with pahiuling. This is sulbaran, means to solve, badbaran is to anti spell and witchcraft. Then we have different varieties restoration plants. Aside from the different types of pahiuling sumbalik, we have the pahiuling kahoy. So kahoy means tree or wood. This is pahiuling gatasan. If you cut this, there's like a milk came out, but we use this thing for those women who don't have enough milk in their breast, so that they will never use mamador, papador. What's that? Before the colostrum came out, or I guess their milk is not enough for their kids, to avoid buying what's this artificial or what's that formulated milk, we use this one. So we have pahiuling sida. It smells good. Ako lang mo pa na. This is pahiuling sida. Usually we use this for those having the problem of dry skin. given by witches. We have Pahiuling Balago. I have here Pahiuling Agta, some they call this Agtao or Pahiuling Itom. So it's depend to the group of healers. We call it differently. We call this Pahiuling Lawian. And this is Pahiuling Lao. But we use the root of this instead of the stem. This is the thing which I guess the greatest prank in the island before. Because during fiesta, if they don't like those the host, they put it into the what is this food or anything they cook, and it never be what is this cooked. So it's still hilaw or uncooked. But for witchcraft, if you have this one, the witch attack would not really penetrate much, or we call it ilawan, or it never getting worse. So this is a general medicine for all kinds of diseases. We call this Pahiuling Gulian. We have here Pahuling Kulipugon, and this one Pahiuling Kawilan. So this kinds of restoration plan is part of this circle. The island, we have different category of plants. We call this nilangin. Good for inflammation, hyperacidity. We can mix it even to the massage oil. So this is Bulinus Balagon, Bulinus Kahoy, this is Tabon Hangin. But we have lots of varieties of hinangin. Even the Escobay or hinangin. And why are oil but pure poison? Because this is the two major herbs which specialize to prevent food poison of any kind of poison. So we have Tambaligasa and Alibutran. For himughat, for relapse, these plants, we mix it into a wine as himughat. We have duguan, which is really good for problem with blood, menstruation, really uban period, then tulog po, for having a problem with insomnia. We have Tamawi, another, this is Bulipugong Balagon. But these are the three kinds of herbs which is the container of the black wax for amulet. This is Tagnipas Itom or black, Tagnipas Puti, and this is Tulipas. The word Tipas means to debate. So if you are being attacked, it just debate and you will never be hit by witchcraft or anything. But even for our soldiers, they are wearing this to prevent hitting with bullet during combat or war. But I don't know if it is still effective with the atomic bomb now. With the I cannot recommend it. No, that's okay. We will start. Any question? I'm Junel Tumaroy, but I will tell you I'm not connected to You can ask me any question except love because I don't have experience with that. But about spirituality,
and everything. Oh, the fusion. I know how to cook. That's why I don't have experience in courting because of the love fusion. This is the thing, really, because someone 3 years ago uses my page in their Facebook account selling 3 candles for 599 pesos. And they say that's good for the this. It's for good luck and for healing. That's really some why. You cannot combine love potion and protection. Those things in love potions are things that fix, that attract, that call. But amulet is about protection, division. So how it can be done in one material? Yeah, that's why like us. You say, oh, you're making good luck charm, but if you are a healer, you prepare to protect yourself than to earn a living. Because if we prepare to wear or to have the love potion or to attract you, we will die as early as possible because of symbolic or absorption of the diseases of our people. Another question.
Ako na nila ko, ano?
I started traditional healing 12 years old. I started the Dodo, that's a stomach massage. Usually, it's victim of those kind of problems called kabuhi. There's no really finding the hospital because there's no really problem in your organ and your system except the pulse. Those persons are commonly cannot sleep, feel dizzy, then some you have vertigo. And it's too mukhi.
Kuha na. Ako na i-start.
That's only candle. So the Dodo, only candle, that's a mixture of everything. That's from cemetery. So why the principle we have in some materials we collected, those are actually materials being used for witchcraft. Like vaccine. It is more effective if the materials being adapt to you, same materials you're gonna use to counter attack. So if someone attack you with love, they more. So we do have to do. So we have to hold that down. There's a certain pulse which you can normally locate 1 inch above the navel. If it is goes out to your solar plexus sometime or feeling full or digested, and even feeling of light in the test. But the worst case of that kind of eyes in the deep sleep. So that's the time where the roof will rotate, you stand up, you're vomiting and feeling like you're dying. So we pull that down back to the navel, and some because of inangin, we use leaves or tuba, finish tuba mayawis, banog, and tight it to relate in the valve to the proper position. So even if we go sometimes in the island, we can treat that for it takes really like 30 minutes or half a day or like 4 hours to become well again and normal. More question? I don't, please don't allow me to say because I have a little. More question?
Question. How long does the love potion
The Lapution really, you want to strengthen that. You talk with the Lapution, you offer prayer. Because if you just bring that one like an ornament, that's it's like carrying a pet. If you never feed it, it will die. Feed it with prayer. Talk to it within using like a crazy. Lapution, but Lapution, you cannot bring that into cemetery funeral because that's offered that the grass and stick. That's why in my Lapution, I put the part to purify and I mix it with uling-ulingan. Even you brought that cemetery funeral like this.
Cushion for erectile dysfunction.
You need I give you a logic. Why the rooster can make 7 times a day? Why it happens? You know the answer. So sometimes in the relation, it's not really that you have the electrical dysfunction. It's about you are uncomfortable with your partner. Before you meet, you have physical sexual attraction. But as you go along, that's kabulay. That came from a non-sting honey maker bee because he would. So it looks like slime rather than slime. Because that's pure. That's very pure. When you say that pure honey, that's from that guy, a non-sting honey bee. So that's really the relation. Imagine. Usually, for the Filipinos, this is what we have. Even, what's this, drug children. So they're comfortable with their partner. So the taste and everything, it's like the first thing you meet. We're looking for those significance. The first, we want to walk, but later, that's normal. Like it's in no. We never did go to the doctor. So we used to do it. But if we do in the other things, still, you will amazed. More questions? I will accept even below the belt questions from medicine or religion. I'm going to bring it up. Do not hesitate to ask. And not get offended.
Incense.
I'm really happy to
Incense.
incense. So some of the traditions they are using incense for purification. But just only an element of the mass. I was asked before that this is an old and against the Christianity. But we have materials from Roman Catholic, I am a Catholic. And why it is Tamanya? The alum, called tawas, the blue one, we use this for healing. Jesus Christ, the greatest traditional healers of all time.
Tawas tapol.
Tawas tapol. Alum. No alum because that tawas tapol. So, Jesus Christ is the greatest traditional healer of all time.
Gimix na ni gikan sa cemetery ano.
And we use this to treat those victim of witchcraft and sorcery by human power. So we use that for healing, now it becomes evil. And we are even using this for evil to people. The amulet we use, and this is part of the material can protect someone so that the evil spirit cannot kill him. So it's really secret. I remember some stories in the Bible. I not often read the Bible. I never memorized verses. When Jesus Christ commanded the 72 of his followers to walk by to and baptize them in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, cure the sick,
Asa dito? Parehas na.
everything about healing. So when they came back, they asked Jesus Christ that there's some proof that casting evil spirit, healing sick person in His name. And Jesus said, "Kundili bato kanato tapik kanato." It's not against us, they're with us. So this is really part of
Holy water.
Oh, that's holy water. We recognize the power and the blessedness of Roman Catholic.
Chef, aside for the oil, is there a Latin spell?
This is the thing why Latin prayers even we never understand very effective because of our faith. Prayers, even what kind of language is, still verb, person, words. Everything, any kinds of words, dialect, have the same efficacy or have the same effective. I'm not giving vocabulary. So the same, it's about matter of faith. In faith healing,
Sana siya na anak.
Oh.
Pero gidugangan kanya.
I have to emphasize this. Faith healing is just
Oil na siya,
part
oil.
of
Coconut oil ga special
this is
bugtong.
seems like this.
Hindi na bugtong.
If you meet a teacher, she may suffering
Isa lang.
for maybe physical diseases,
Isa lang
maybe
mga
blood,
pampilangan.
anytime, because maybe she's thirsty and starving, so very hungry. So that's physical problem. Emotional and psychological problem
Mga kahoy lang to. Ano?
because
Mga kahoy. Kundi
they born in this world and left by their parents and live in the street. We're even asking God
ayaw
why
niya.
He allowed her to alive and suffer. But someone or somebody come to her, give a piece of bread and water, so you may able to get those corns of diseases because they never collapse anymore because
Pero,
you treat your thirst and starvation, and he knows that even she left by her parents, there's someone that gave for her, or give her food, or to take her with her in the street.
Question. My grandfather
okay na
told
na.
us
Kay mas.
it's a
Hindi
cruza.
na ako nagkalayo.
It's a Latin word from, they told us that it's a Latin word from Siquijor. It's a cruza.
Insecure is true. True sa but the belief, anything, if you believe that it can be,
Wala na. Ikaw na naman to.
happen. You know, if you have the great leaders of all time, you have faith to start. You can command the mountain to transfer the sea. 2008, miracles happen when intention of the healer well, and the full submission and belief of their patient. But if you have doubt, where's the faith? If you are told about commercialism, where's the intention? It differs. More questions, violent reaction. If you have that, raise back.
Sir, question. Did the traditional healing practices even before this virus? And if they were there any
Better, you have really a good vision. Better everybody can hear.
I believe traditional healing culture exists even before the Spaniards came and introduced the concept. And if it did, were there any notable differences between how traditional healing is practiced then versus now?
Healer is their usage. So we have different ways to define.
Di kay kuan, habol ning mo ang kuan. Dapat sa kadit ma para di. Oh, do tatan mo. Ay si Ma'am pare kay iya pa na kuan. Oh, Belisyo naman ta. Belisyo. Wala may karton mo sir.
Hotong pan, hotong.
Kayo?
Sada po kayo ni kuan. Neng, para sa nun neng. Ginangin. Bukat para hablang. Tataran.
Namoy ha, i-play ito lang ha.
Pwede na.
Kasama mo na ron. Dili na mo na.
Kay talent manager.
Kasama mo na ron.
Uli.